Hello, this is Mark Swinkowski, Editor-in-Chief of the Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery. In this brief video, I will show you how to create subspecialty and issue alerts on the jbjs.org website. Using these alerts, you will automatically receive emails about the latest JBJS published information on specific orthopedic subspecialties of interest to you. The first step is to go to jbjs.org on either your laptop or mobile device. If you are already a registered user or subscriber, log into your account. If you're not yet registered or are a subscriber, sign up for either level of access and you will be able to utilize the alerts functionality. Once you're logged in, simply go to My JBJS link in the left navigation list. On mobile devices, the My JBJS control is found under the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner of your phone or tablet screen. From the My JBJS page, locate and click on the Settings button at the top middle of the page. On a phone or tablet, the Settings control is found in the gear icon on the bottom right of the screen. A new pop-up window will appear. The Settings pop-up window displays the controls to set up your personalized selections and schedules for receiving issue and subspecialty alerts. This pop-up window also is in the place where you can customize the subspecialties displayed on your jbjs.org homepage. To set up issues alerts, first check the box next to I want to receive content alerts, then simply select the journals you would like to receive information on. An email will be automatically sent to you when a new issue of any of your selected JBJS journals is published, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly. To set up subspecialty alerts, scroll down and simply select the subspecialties of interest to you. As you click on each subspecialty, select your preferred frequency from the drop-down menus, varying from weekly to quarterly, and you will then receive these alerts through email. Alerts are sent based on new content that has been published, so you will be alerted to only the most current published information in your areas of interest. Weekly and bi-weekly alerts will be sent on Mondays. Monthly and quarterly alerts will be sent out the first Monday of the month and quarter. Simply close the pop-up window and you're all set. You'll now receive issue and subspecialty alerts automatically. You also find Setup Alerts controls through the Setup Alerts button after you click on any of the subspecialty titles in the home page mosaic. The emails look like this. Here is an issue alert. And now a subspecialty alert. Note, at the bottom of the subspecialty alert, your current selections are listed. You can modify this list at any time by navigating back to the My JBJS Settings control page. One final observation. JBJS alert emails are sent via an automated service, and they therefore might get captured by your personal or corporate spam filter. If you do not receive your expected alerts, please check your email spam or junk mail filter and other virus protection systems for them. We hope you'll utilize and benefit from this powerful new feature on jbjs.org. Thank you.